In a sunlit kitchen, a simple cup and a length of string become a talking phone, turning vibrations into a playful lesson about how sound travels. A clear glass of water shows how a pencil looks bent when air and light meet at different speeds, revealing refraction in action. An egg sinks in plain water but floats in salty brine, illustrating density and buoyancy as salt raises the liquid's density. A rubbed balloon clings to scraps of paper, proving static electricity can lift and attract lightweight objects. Marker colors on coffee filter paper separate as capillary action drags pigments, teaching chromatography in a vivid, hands-on way.